Local news for Tuesday, the 22nd of October. Wellington Free Ambulance are inviting conversations between healthcare providers, social agencies, and the community to discuss the changing needs of patients and their whānau in Wairarapa. Pop-up meetings are set to bring discussions around the future, and the first will be held on Queen Street, Masterton, next door to Milady, tomorrow between 10:30 and 4:30. Equity and healthcare for patients accessing emergency departments is the theme for close to 100 emergency doctors, nurses, managers and stakeholder partners attending this year's New Zealand Emergency Department Conference in Taupo. Wairarapa Hospital Charge Nurse Manager Catherine Wadsworth presents on Wairarapa's ED response to a hard-to-reach community for help. And the Forestry Workforce Roadshow is coming to Masterton next month. It's key to the government's continued commitment to working with industry to respond to workforce challenges to build a strong, stable and reliable forestry workforce. And finally in sport, the Featherston amateur wrestlers have picked up 2 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze at the New Zealand Champs, while Toby Crosby, competing in his first nationals, also won gold. Congratulations to you all. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.